Hi folks, the Two Amigos saga still keeps giving. They're still on. I've now exhausted everything I've seen on YouTube how to get rid of them, and so if I turn you around, they are still there, these two. Well, I've had a bit of a think on this Land Rover Freelander one. We've done all the stuff which has been mentioned on YouTube, so if you're following the story, please like and subscribe, and if you're new here, check my other videos out, especially part 1 and part 2 of this if you've got the same problem. But hopefully by the end of this video, will they go out? That is a question, but we don't know. So far, let's have a little recap of what I've done. So, let's just jump out the car. So, underneath there we put a new stop switch on. That didn't work, but that's done. If you want to see how that's done, check one of the old videos out. Come around the back, we put a new bowl mold in there because that was a bit dodgy. Works fine. This wasn't working, dodgy earth, works fine. That wasn't working, new bulb, works fine. Also what I've done, I put a new reversing lamp on, just in case that was upsetting it. Works fine. Two Amigos on. So, now, I think for the next stage, I checked this out. That's the caravan one, works perfectly. This one here, on the trailer, seems to be a bit dodgy. And I'm wondering, because of, when we got this car, it had a 7-pin trailer hitch. And when I put the caravan one on, I noticed that down in the corner here, there's a bit Heath Robinson, a bit messing. I've already said, I'm going to have to redo that. Could cause us problems, and I'm wondering, down here is where the problem is. I want to check, make sure that the towing plug is up here. So, I will get all this out, sort all this out, take it out, we'll get down to the wiring, and I will come back to you once I've got it all out. We'll go and have a look, see what the wiring's like, take it all out, anything broken down there, touching, we can repair, and then we can see if the Two Amigos will go away. Join me in 2 seconds. See you in a second. Bye bye. Well, not bye bye, I don't need to go. Stay there, keep watching. See you in a second. Right, welcome back again. Here we are. Seconds for you, about 15 minutes for me. But if I turn you around, I'll show you what I've done. I think this is going to come into a tow bar electrics video as well. Yeah, tow bar electrics, as in the title. So we'll have a look. Basically, I ain't done nothing in this bit down here. It is really someone, I think they've had someone cheap in to do this. It's not good. It's not good, and it's a process of elimination with the Two Amigos. So let's show you what I've done. Right, here's all the wiring. And to get to that, take this tread out, then you've got the luggage bits, take them out, there's a screw up here, and it should come out like that. I haven't taken it all the way out because it's a bugger to get back behind that panel, unless you take that panel out, but I've got it to that. Now let's have a look, see what we got. Right, this one here is Caravan Electrics, so that's not really going to do anything to it. There's an earth. This here is trailer electrics. As you can see, someone's clipped in all down here, and it got me all thinking, could this be the problem? Like you see, there's a wire bare there, so that comes there, when in fact this is where you plug in your trailer electrics if you get the kit, or like I've done in my previous Land Rover, I clipped in here for the electrics, which is a lot easier, out of the way of everything. But there you go. we'll come back to that later in the video. First of all, I think we need to disconnect all this. Right, where should I start? That's the bleeper. So that's that. As you can see, 7 pins. So, what has someone done here? That's it. I think I'll snip them. Someone's broke it there and actually done a connection down there. So, done there. So I think I need 2 hands for this. I'll disconnect all this, make it sound, and we'll turn the dashboard on and see if it will work. So I'll see you back in a minute. Remember, like, subscribe and comment on the channel. This might be helping someone out, either with the 2 amigos or wiring up the trailer, the 7 pin. So I will see you in a second. Right then, folks, I've done all that, took the 7 pin plug wiring out. Bit of a job that was, needed both hands, so I couldn't film it. Bit awkward in here to film it. So let's see what I've done. Yeah. So all that there is the wiring, scotch these bloody things. That down here, you can see I haven't broken the wires, but I put some blue insulation tape around just to insulate it all to keep it good. Caravan electrics are all nicely in there. That's good. Got the earths. Got spare earth there if ever needed it. Trailer electrics is there now, so it's easy in. You can either 2 options, click behind it or plug in, but that's coming later on in this video. Trailer electrics. So I think now we should see if it's actually done anything to the two amigos. Probably hasn't. I won't give up too much hope, but I hope this helps people in a way if you're doing tow bar electrics or you've got the same problem I have at the moment. So let's turn them on. Still on. So that works. Lights work, yeah. So everything's working, but we've still got them 2 on. So keep watching and watch the tow bar electrics. Put new ones in, but it gives me 2 options now. This switch, is it knackered? That's the next one. That's where we're going on the next video. And if that doesn't work, we're going to unplug the battery for 24 hours in case it's storing a code. Should have perhaps done that earlier, but it's good fun going through it all. Jobs that need to be done, like the tow bar electrics and that. Bowls to change, new stop, just getting it ready. So join me in a second. To you it'd be a second, to me it's going to be next week, because I'm going to order the part. I've seen a cheap one on eBay, and we're going to get the proper Land Rover electrics. So see you in a second. Hopefully the sun will be shining this time. In 2 seconds, wait for me. So keep watching, like, subscribe, comment, problems you found, ways, means, what am I missing, etc, etc. No offence taken. Right, I will see you in 2 seconds. Right, it's a week later, and got the old one out, took that out, and we've got the one that's come with the plug. Nice and easy, simple. I'm not really sure where these bits go, but we'll have a look underneath. But yeah, let's just do that, turn you around, there we go. You see it's all fairly neat. Bring it up through here. I know that's got a grommet on it, but with the caravan stuff, and just turn that down. The caravan stuff on there, I've only got that hole really. Don't really go mucking about because I've got to get the plug up. So that fits in there. But I didn't realise, but if I go like that, there's already a connection on there. So yeah, that's just a blanky one. There's no pins or anything. I think it just keeps that clear. So that plugs onto there. So I'll get that like that. What we've got on there. There's that plug. Put the grinder there. That keeps that there. There we go. That's better. So we'll try and get it up through this. Oh. Just not enough angle on it. So I do that. There we go. Oh. There we go. There we go. So it's got to come up through there. So I'll put that up now. I'll be back in a second. Hang on. Hopefully you can see that. Should fit in there. It's a bit tight. Those are the cables. But is it going? There we go. Right, we're up. There she is. And that flop straight, wide up. So that's a 7-pin socket wide up into that. So yeah. So what I'll do, I'll come back to you in a second and I'll show you what I've done. Getting this end of the car. Latest update on the two amegos as well is that I think I found the problem, but that's going to be in another video. We're going to go into that. So yeah, so I think I found the problem and hopefully turn the two lights off. But I will explain all in a future video on that. But now we'll just get on with this electrics and we'll check it. So I'll reposition it and see you in a second. Because this isn't as long as what the old one is, I'm going to have to move things around. So let's turn you around. So I had that extension on there, so that was over here. So I'm going to just put them all over here. Got me 24mm socket and spanners. So I will undo these, turn this all around, bolt it all up, then we'll show you, then we'll see if it works. So don't go away, just hang around and we'll be finished in a bit. So see you in a second. Right, we're all done now, we're all connected up. So I'll show you what we've done. As you can see, we've got that coming up through there, the caravan electrics, reverse light, there we are, all nicely switched in there. All I've got to do is put all this back, and down here got the caravan electric and the new 7-pin. They were all over here, but because that cable was a bit short, put it over on this side, but I had to disconnect that, disconnect the battery because there's a live in that, to take this plate off, turn it round, put it all back together. So that's all good. It's all cable clipped nicely underneath there. So yeah, I'm pretty confident that will all work. Famous last words. So I'll put the trailer on the back. I'll get all this put back together. We'll put the trailer on, see what happens. Right. See in 2 seconds, I'll have all that back. I'll have there and I'll put the trailer on. See you in a second. Trying to turn it off now. There we go. Right then folks, we're all hitched up now and everything seems to be all the backs put in nicely, and as you can see it's all sort of put nicely back there. We've got brake lights on, all tuned up, I've got a reverse light on the trailer, so that comes out the caravan one, that's the new one. And yeah, we seem to have a full array of lights at the back. You can see, the lights are on, so I'm going to call that a success, as you can see. So I'm going to call that a success, and in the next video on this car I will show you exactly what I think the two amegos is. So I like and subscribe, and if I see you in another video, please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.